Peace, hello today. How y'all doing? Today we're going to change the front right parking brake on the CLK 2004. This jank right over here. We're going to change this right here. This is the old one. As you can see, it's blown on out. Got the new one. It's fairly cheap. Get them from AutoZone or any auto parts store for like $4 or $5. You need an instrument to pry it open. Get up in here and pry it open. Alright. What you can do, you can take your instrument and get up in here. You can pry it open. Don't be afraid. It can pop on out. As you can see, be gentle. Then right here. All you do, gotta just turn this piece right here. I gotta put this right here. Boom. The next, you take your new one right there, and then as you can see, it goes right on there. You just insert it right on in there, right on in there like that. I'll try to use it to push up the back. Get it all the way in there. Boom, got your new bulb in there. And then you just reverse do everything you just did. And boom, and that was back in there, as you can see. Lights fully operational. Old one right here replaced. The part number for 2004 CLK Mercedes-Benz E3, the 320 is a 2825. That's what you need. Alright, thank you for watching. Peace.